Good morning, dear students. I am Vijay Lakshmi here, your accountancy teacher. Nowadays we are doing topic bills of exchange. Already we have done how to calculate date of maturity and the case 1 of accounting of bills of exchange, that is when bill is retained by the drawer till the date of maturity. Today we will do second case when bill is discounted from the bank. Now discounting of bill means when the holder of the bill, after acceptance the bill is with the holder, mainly drawer, and he wants to get funds before the date of maturity. In that case he can get the bill discounted from the bank. Discounted from the bank means if before the date of maturity that bill is taken to the bank, so bank deducts some amount for lending money on the basis of that bill. Means sometimes we can treat it as security. Bank has kept the security and lend money to the holder of the bill, or beforehand he gets the bill encashed. In that case, some of the less amount is given on the bill to the drawer, right? And that lesser amount depends upon the time period left and rate of discounting charges. Rate of discounting charges means, other way we can call it interest reduction, or and how much time is left in the maturity of the bill. So main journal entries for this: when bill is discounted from the bank, in the books of drawer entry will be bank account debit, discounting charges account debit, to bills receivable account. But when bill is discounted from the bank, drawee has no connection with it. He will be paying attention, he will be concentrating on the date of making payment of that bill. So in that case, when bill is discounted from the bank, no entry in the books of drawer. Drawee won't make any entry on that date. And when there is date of maturity, already drawer has taken amount on against the bill, so at the date of maturity no entry in the books of the drawer, but in books of drawing same entry will be there: BP account debit to bank account, right? On the basis of this we will do practical question number 6 or 7. Practical question number 6A we will do. Practical question number 6A. Vishal sold goods for 70,000 to Manju on January 5, 2019. So Vishal is the seller of the goods and Manju is buyer of the goods. So Vishal, first of all we will maintain here books of Vishal and books of Manju. Vishal is drawer, seller of the goods, and Manju is buyer of the goods. She is drawer. January 5, and here also 2019 January 5. In the books of Vishal, entry will be Manju debit to sales account. For rupees 70,000. debit to Vishal. Right. Now what we have to see for how much time bill is written. Bill is payable after 2 months. Manju accepted Vishal's draft and handed over the same to Vishal after acceptance. Same देखो बेटा acceptance की entry करिए in the books of Manju BP account debit Vishal debit to bills payable account. For rupees 70,000 and in the books of Vishal, DR account debit to Manju. Bill is accepted and amount of the bill is rupees 70,000. Now, Vishal immediately discounted the bill with the bank at the rate of 12% per annum. Now let us see, bill is written for 2 months. Immediately means अभी 2 months रहते हैं in the maturity of the bill. 2 months are left. Discounting charges are 12% per annum. अमाउंट निकाल लीजिए 70,000 का बिल है, 2 months का टाइम है and 12% डिस्काउंटिंग चार्जेस है. 1,400 rupees are discounting charges, right? 70,000, 2 months, 12%, 12.12, 1,400 rupees are discounting charges. Now अब यहाँ इसकी बुक्स में क्या एंट्री होगी? इसको 1,400 rupees काट के बैंक will make the payment. बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, discounting charges account debit to DR account. 70,000 का बिल चला गया, 1,400 डिस्काउंटिंग चार्जेस है, 68,600 rupees. No entry in the books of drawing. Now date of maturity after 2 months, January 5, February 5, March 5 plus 3 days of grace, 8th March is date of maturity. 8th March. Now बेटा 5th January 5 को यहाँ पे कोई एंट्री नहीं थी, 8th March को DP account debit to bank account. Payment made on behalf of the bill. और we write here bill met on maturity. 70,000 की पेमेंट हो गई by Manju against the bill. But Vishal has taken the payment from the bank, so no entry in his books. March 8, no entry in the books of drawing. This way we can solve this question, and same is question number 6b also. Solve that question in your notebooks. Right children, in next module I will send you next method, that is endorsement of bill. Thank you children, thank you very much.